people around us. So by
Yes.
this training, I gain self-confidence to express myself, especially in the English language. And, you know, I'm also thankful that I meet all these people around in this online course because they have a great knowledge when it comes to teaching profession. Thank you so much, ma'am.
I would like to say thank you very much to Bet JP Song and to all the instructor that gave us as a refreshment for teaching. And also it can serve as a powerful tools that can be used to our class. And of course, to all the facilitators and especially to you, Mom. Thank you very much. And to all my classmates. Congratulations to us. Happy graduation day.
Yes,